Good evening, welcome to
MinuteMath130.
MinuteMath number 130. I gotta make sure this marker works. Yeah, okay. Alright, so tonight we're back home, so we're back to doing our math videos. And we're gonna do a really cool problem from the Mathematical Association of America's MinuteMath page.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
You excited?
Yeah.
Alright. Each principal of Lincoln High School serves for 3 years. During an 8-year period, what is the maximum number of principals that Lincoln High School could have? Okay, do you understand the problem?
Yep.
Okay, how do you want to think about this problem?
Well, we could try to take the number of years each principal would go.
Okay.
So, one principal could just be finishing a session, and then two other... Wait.
Oh, what do you mean? What do you want to take a look at? You want to mark off 8 years, maybe?
Yeah, maybe.
I found a marker that works a little better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so each principal serves for 3 years. You want to draw some 3-year periods in here?
Okay, so if you go 1, 2, 3, 6. If you go 1 here, I think it leaves 1 blank over there.
I don't know what you mean. Why don't do you want to draw them in a different color? Draw some 3 years. Fill in 3 years with that. Okay, so those 3. Okay.
And then
So that's years 1, 2, and 3.
Yeah,
so maybe a principal served in those years.
Yeah, can you do this?
Yeah, you can. Want to do that instead?
Okay.
Okay. Maybe I'll erase like this. Okay, so maybe a principal served in these years. Okay.
Mm-hmm. If we put one over here, and one principal could just be finishing his session over here.
Okay. Like that. All right. Ooh, interesting. And then they catch year 1. Okay.
Yeah, but what's year 3 going to be?
Well, this principal here is going to be in year 3. Remember, this principal serves for 3 years.
So then, well, if we do 1 here, then we'll have 1 space left over.
Okay, you want to draw that in? Okay, we have 1 space left over. What happens there?
Well, it's space 8.
Okay. So what happens?
1 principal could finish over there.
All right, so draw that. Okay. Ooh, interesting. So how many principals did we have in our
4.
8-year period? Oh, in this case we had 4. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Do you think that's the most, or do you think you could fit more in?
I think that might be the most.
Okay, well, one reason this could be the most is if we have 2 like this that take up the middle, that fills up 6 years, and that leaves only 2 spaces left, and we can put 1 in on the end and 1 in on the end like that.
Yeah.
That's one way to think about it. But if you put them in like this, I'll draw these in purple, where you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then that's 2, and then you would only use 3. So 4 is definitely more than 3, right?
Yeah.
And you know what? 4 is the right answer. So good job. I like the way you thought through that. It's always good to draw pictures, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right. Good job on this one tonight. Good job.